An Illinois judge says that a hospital system in Sterling violated labor laws. Last April, workers at CGH Medical Center formed a union, but court documents say the hospital's CEO tried to convince them not to. Tonight, one former employee who helped start that union tells News 8's Shelby Kluver this is a win for the workers.
It took 2 years for workers here at CGH Medical Center to form their union. Throughout that entire process, employees alleged that leadership here did everything they could to stop it.
Management never wants to share the power.
For 8 years, Brandy Barron was a medical assistant and EMR trainer at CGH Medical Center. Now, she represents its union that she helped form.
Leadership from the very beginning deterred people from the union.
Employees started organizing back in 2019. Court documents say in June of that year, Dr. Paul Steinke, the hospital's CEO, sent an email to staff saying it would be better for CGH and its staff if a union wasn't formed. Then in December of that year, Steinke wrote a letter to the editor telling employees how to revoke their union membership.
It was discouraging for others, and that was just by hearsay. It put a lot of doubt in people's minds.
Barron, who alleges CGH fired her in retaliation, says anti-union rhetoric was normal at CGH.
This is management. We're supposed to trust them. So would they be telling us lies?
But now, a judge from the Illinois Labor Relations Board says that letter was illegal. Illinois law says an employer cannot interfere with or discourage workers from getting involved in labor organizations. In a statement, CGH said, in part, "We believe that the First Amendment protects the rights of employees to hear from all sides, not just unions. The decision is not final, and we are reviewing our appeal options."
I was very happy about it.
To Barron, the ruling is a win for workers.
Basically, it means he knows now that there is no anti-union propaganda allowed. And if he does disperse anti-union propaganda, he will be held accountable just like he was this time.
It's been 11 months since the union was formed here, and there still isn't a first contract agreement. Both sides accuse the other one of not coming to the negotiating table. In Sterling, Shelby Kluver, WQAD News 8.
The hospital now has until the end of April next month to appeal the judge's decision. After that, it goes before the Illinois Labor Relations Board, who can decide whether or not to enforce it.